Right now, we're seeing an unusual sentiment score of plus 0.49, a marked spike compared to our historical baseline. This indicates a surprising shift in optimism around investing, despite the momentum taking a dip at minus 0.34. With 19 semantic clusters, this data reveals distinct themes driving sentiment, and it's worth paying attention to. Our API returns granular insights into investing sentiment, allowing you to analyze these fluctuations in real time. Imagine using this data to build a strategy that capitalizes on emerging trends before they become mainstream. You could enhance your investment models, integrating this sentiment data to predict market movements more accurately. For the full details and to get started, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this insight and turn it into opportunity.